Every year, the US government gives away up to 55,000 green cards through a program known as the Diversity Visa Lottery Program. Now, this year's Diversity Visa Lottery Program is opened for registration. Registration is from October 4th, 2023 to November 7th, 2023. Now, in order to register or to sign up for this lottery, this green card lottery, you have to meet 2 out of 2 eligibility criteria. The first one is that you have to be from a country. You must be a native of a country with a historically low rate of immigration to the United States. Defined as you have to be born in a country where within the last 5 years, less than 50,000 people have immigrated from that country to the United States. Now, if your country is part of the 18 countries that are disqualified from DV 2025, you cannot sign up, or you should not sign up for this year's green card lottery. There are 2 ways in which you can sign up even though you're from a disqualifying country. The first way is that you can use the country of chargeability of your spouse. If your spouse is from a country or is a native of a country with a historically low rate of migration to the US. And so, for example, if you are Nigerian, or if you were born in Nigeria, it means that you are disqualified from DV 2025. Now, if your wife was born in Ghana, that means your wife is a native of Ghana and you are a native of Nigeria. Natives of Nigeria cannot partake, and so what you can do is you can use your wife's country of eligibility to partake. And you should make sure that you are actually applying for the visa lottery with your wife, and you will be traveling to the US with her in order to be eligible under this exception. Now, the second way to partake in the visa lottery, or to take part in the visa lottery if your country is ineligible, is to use the country of birth of your parent. And so if your parent gave birth to you in a country which is ineligible for DV 2025, and at the time of your birth, your parent was not legally resident in the country and also doesn't come from that country or was not born in that country, then you can use your parent's country of eligibility. So, for example, again, if you were born in Nigeria, it means you are a native of Nigeria and you cannot partake in DV 2025. Alternatively, if your mother was born in Ghana and at the time of your birth, your mother was just a student in Nigeria, and so she was just studying, she was not legally resident, and your mother was also not born in Nigeria, then you can partake in the visa lottery by using the country of chargeability of your mother, who is Ghanaian, because Ghana can partake in DV 2025. Now, the second requirement in order to partake is to make sure that you have a qualifying education or work experience. For the education experience, you should have a successful completion of a 12-year formal elementary and secondary education.